Okay, hello my people. My name is Igbo / Zion, the Onye Ọcha na-asụ Igbo. Yes, when you look at me very well, you will get to know that I'm Onye Ọcha in your country, which some of you know me well. When you look me up and down, you will know that is true. Yeah, so when you look me up and down, you will get the fact that I'm Onye Ọcha na-asụ Igbo. Onye Ọcha na-asụ Igbo in Igbo land. So even though I'm a foreigner to the Igbo language and the culture, when I came in contact with Igbo, I discovered something special, which I'm about to let you know now. Honestly, Igbo is one of the sweetest languages I've ever had. The way Igbo words are spoken, the wisdom inside the Igbo words, the expression, the proverbs. Chai! Igbo is truly a special gift from God to Nigerians. But you know, what surprised me most is reading the Bible and the hymns in Igbo. Ekpere na-abụ. Chai, it gives deeper meaning, stronger understanding, and the special sweetness that touches the heart differently. Sometimes I wonder why people leave such a beautiful language behind. And on that, I decided to go and study Igbo language. So on this very page, with the little idea I've gotten, the little ones I've learned, and still learning, I'm going to educate us to show us the sweetness of Igbo language. So on this very page, we'll be teaching, we'll be reading the novels in Igbo, the Igbo Bible from our Genesis to the Revelation, step by